Electric shavers have redefined men's grooming, packing precision, speed, and comfort into one sleek device. In 2025, they cut grooming time, skip the need for cream or water, adapt to any skin type, and push technology further with smarter sensors, ultra-close shaves, and convenience traditional razors cannot match. Today, we are breaking down the best electric shavers of the year, from advanced blade systems and flexible shaving heads to battery life that keeps up with your lifestyle. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly which model fits your skin, your needs, and your budget. Check the description for links and pricing. Braun Series 9 Pro 9567cc. It is built for men who demand maximum comfort, precision, and durability in their shave. Its 5 Pro Shave elements, 4 ultra-sharp cutting blades, plus a protective skin guard, capture flat, long, and stubborn hairs in a single stroke, while the titanium-coated Pro Lift trimmer lifts and cuts even 7-day beards with ease. Powered by Braun's synchrosonic motor, it delivers 10,000 micro-vibrations per minute to minimize friction, and AutoSense technology automatically adjusts power to your beard's density for consistent results every time. A 40-degree flexible head glides effortlessly over contours, tackling tricky spots under the chin and jawline. The high-efficiency lithium-ion battery offers up to 60 minutes of cordless use with a 5-minute quick charge for a full shave. It is 100% waterproof for wet or dry use with gel, foam, or in the shower. But note, it cannot operate while plugged in, so charging ahead is essential. Panasonic Arc6 LS9. It is a premium electric shaver built for users who want maximum efficiency and comfort in their daily grooming. Its 6-blade foil system, featuring 2 slit trimmers for longer hairs and 4 ultra-thin foils for close finishing, allows it to clear dense beards with fewer passes, reducing irritation. Driving the system is a high-performance magnetic drive linear motor delivering 84,000 cross-cutting actions per minute, paired with a beard sensor that adjusts motor power 220 times per second to match hair density on the fly. The multi-directional head moves in 22 directions, keeping consistent skin contact around tricky contours like the jawline, chin, and neck. It works for both wet and dry shaving and is IPX7 waterproof, making it fully washable. The included premium clean and charge station automates cleaning, drying, lubrication, and recharging, while the internal battery delivers up to 50 minutes of cordless use. At just 0.45 pounds, it feels light yet sturdy, though the large shaving head can make under-the-nose detailing less precise, and it does not support corded operation. With a $425 price tag, it's an investment, but one that's justified for users seeking top-tier shaving performance and convenience.
Norelco i9000 Prestige Ultra. It is a flagship electric shaver built for users who demand precision, comfort, and personalization in every shave. Its triple-action lift and cut system lifts, cuts, then recuts each hair right at the root, while a high-speed linear magnetic drive motor powers an impressive 165,000 cutting actions per minute. Nanotech dual precision blades cut hair up to 0.08 millimeters below the skin surface for all-day smoothness, while Hydro Skin Glide coating, infused with 500,000 microbeads per square centimeter, halves friction for sensitive skin. The 360-degree precision flexing heads are 20% more adaptive than before, maintaining contact around every contour without skipping or dragging. Driven by SenseIQ Pro technology, its AI engine adjusts cutting power 500 times per second based on beard density, while a pressure-sensitive LED ring offers live feedback to optimize your technique. Pair it with the Groom Tribe app for motion tracking, missed spot alerts, and personalized shave coaching. 5 customizable modes, including sensitive, intense, foam, and fully custom, let you fine-tune performance to your skin and preferences. The package includes a quick clean pod that cleans and lubricates in 60 seconds, a pop-up beard styler with 5 adjustable lengths, a nose trimmer, travel case, and charging stand. You get 60 minutes of cordless runtime, a 1-hour full charge, and a 5-minute quick charge option. Fully waterproof, it supports wet or dry shaving with gel, foam, or on bare skin. Drawbacks include no corded operation, counter space needed for the cleaning pod, and a premium $424 price tag with ongoing cartridge costs. Manscaped Handyman 30. If your grooming kit still makes you pick between a clean shave and a well-kept stubble, it's living in the past. The Manscaped Handyman gives you both in one compact, travel-ready package. It ships with 2 interchangeable magnetic heads, the skin-safe 4-blade foil for a skin-level shave, and the precision stubble trimmer with 1mm and 3mm guards for that intentionally rugged look. The Flex Adjust motor system pivots naturally with your face, easing pressure on tough spots like the jawline and neck. An integrated LED spotlight reveals flat-lying hairs in tricky zones so you do not miss a spot. Under the hood, a lithium-ion battery delivers 75 minutes of cordless runtime and a 5-minute quick charge for emergencies, with wireless charging compatibility for daily convenience. It's fully waterproof for wet or dry shaving, in the shower, with gel, or straight-up dry. The LCD battery display keeps you in the know, while a travel lock and hard case make it flight-ready. Cleaning is simple. Rinse the heads, no pricey cleaning cartridges needed. Now, it's not perfect. No corded operation means you need to keep it charged, and it's louder than some high-end Braun or Panasonic models, but at $160, it hits a sweet spot for anyone who wants versatility, portability, and smart design in their grooming routine.
Welclux FK-706. Welclux FK-706 electric foil shaver delivers a balance of precision, speed, and convenience for modern grooming routines. Equipped with a 4D floating blade system, its 4 self-sharpening foils flex independently to follow facial contours, reducing missed spots and irritation, particularly along the neck and jawline. It features dual speed modes, offering a low setting for daily maintenance or sensitive skin, and a high setting for tackling dense stubble or achieving a faster shave. Powered by a high-speed rotary motor, this shaver maintains consistent cutting performance across both speed settings. It carries a 2,000 mAh lithium-ion battery that delivers up to 120 minutes of runtime, enough for more than 10 shaves, while USB-C fast charging fully recharges the device in just 90 minutes and supports a 5-minute quick charge for a single session. Boasting an IPX7 waterproof rating, it supports both wet and dry use, whether in the shower or with gel and foam. The large LED display clearly shows battery level, speed mode, and travel lock status for an at-a-glance convenience. A compact, travel-friendly design with a one-click lock prevents accidental activation during transit. Maintenance is simple, thanks to rinsable blades and a detachable shaving head for quick cleaning under running water. However, replacement foils must be purchased as a complete unit, and availability remains unclear.
Remington F5-5800B-AT1. It is a cordless, rechargeable foil shaver for men with pivot and flex foil technology that adapts to facial contours for a close shave. Its 3-stage cutting system combines 2 ultra-thin foil blades with an intercept shaving technology middle trimmer that pre-cuts longer hairs, reducing tugging and improving performance on 2 to 3 day stubble. Powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, it delivers up to 60 minutes of cordless runtime, fully charges in 2 hours, and offers a 5-minute quick charge for a single shave. Unlike many modern foil shavers, it can run corded or cordless, so you can keep shaving even if you forgot to charge. While it is dry use only, the foil head detaches for quick rinsing underwater, and the included cleaning brush handles trapped hairs. An LED fuel gauge shows remaining battery in 5 stages, giving you plenty of warning before it runs out. At just 1.3 pounds, it feels lightweight yet sturdy, and the built-in pop-up trimmer makes detailing sideburns, mustaches, and necklines easy. Its biggest drawback is the lack of waterproofing, which means no shaving cream or in-shower use. But at a fraction of the cost of high-end models, it offers core features and performance that can rival more expensive competitors, making it one of the best budget-friendly foil shavers in 2025.
As we wrap up, remember, your electric shaver is more than just a grooming gadget. It is a personal tool that boosts your confidence, streamlines your routine, and saves you money on blades and barber visits. From self-cleaning charging docks to compact travel designs that never compromise on performance, every model we covered brings something unique to the table. Choose wisely and you'll have a shaver that works as hard as you do, anywhere life takes you. If you found this guide helpful, share it with friends, like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss the latest in personal care tech for 2025. Links to all the shavers are in the description.